Hey guys, this is DragonKnight here. Welcome to my first non-series video. I know I've been a little quiet on the whole 1.15 excitement thing, but basically I've got a bit quiet because I've not had much to say about it. But I am hoping to get a little bit more honeyish and interesting with it. So yeah, I've got something interesting to show you in this video. So the thing that I want to show you guys today is a post from, let me just tell you now, sorry, is a post from Taylor5. Oh, by the way guys, it wasn't actually done by Taylor5. Taylor5 posted it on r/Minecraft, and then somebody called WB2509 then reposted it on the official Mumbo Jumbo YouTube fan server, not really fan server, but like the official server from Taylor5. So yeah, that's that really. Yeah. On the Mumbo Jumbo Discord, they showed this flying machine here. Very simple, using both slime blocks and honey blocks to create the ultimate flying machine with pistons only facing one way. Now, this thing, it's fairly simple if I just get something to update it with, and obviously some obsidian, so we don't lose a flying machine. If we just put it to, let's say here, there we go, and now we can now give it a nice whirl. Oh, that doesn't work. Right, excuse me. There we go. And as you can see, it flies. Now we to remove all of this and continue its flight. Here we go. As you can see, it flies. It flies, and it will fly far. It will fly far and high. A bit like my stream music, flying high. No pun intended, by the way. As you can see, it flies. Oh, come on! It's not too kidding, right? There we go. Right. But as you can see, it's a fairly simple flying machine, and you don't actually need that much to build it. I'm not going to show you guys how to build this and how it works. Now then, let's get the actual tutorial started. So, to build this bad boy here, you've got to get a couple of things. As you can see, it's in my inventory. You need 8 honey blocks, as you can see. You need 1 slime block, 2 observers, 2 pistons, and of course just 1 button actually that can go with. And you only need really 1 button or something to update this. I would recommend using something like a piston, because then you've got to do that, and then you've got to do, I'm not going to do it. Let me just get some obsidian before I do that. Yeah. But now then it would start, but I'm not going to let it start now. But yeah, so it's very simple. All you need is this, obviously something, an immovable object of some kind to stop it. That's if you do want to stop it. And yeah, this little thing here is very simple to build. Now, let's get on to how you build it. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is get a honey block at some point, at some amount of blocks over the ground. I'm going to do mine 1 above the ground, if you want to follow along with me. Then you then have to pull it along, so we've got 1 here. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with an 8th one on top like that. Now if we count along with this one, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 over there. Right, so that's our 8 honey blocks done. That did not work, did it? There we go, down into the hole. Step 2. What you want to do is you then want to place an observer facing towards the front of the flying machine, 1 block away from the end, like so. Then what you want to do is you then want to place a piston that way, a slime block here, and another piston facing the same way. Oh, not that way. Like so. Then, of course, you then want to put an observer on top of here. And that's it. You're done. It's that simple. I'll now show you how you can set this off. Okay, so to start off this beautiful flying machine that we've just built together, what I'm going to do is I am going to use a simple piston with a button so that it powers it once, then powers it again. Watch how simple this is. And it goes. Oh, that did not happen. Yeah, so put the piston along with it. That's cool. You could have a friend trying to tag along on it and they just keep falling off. And you can just get from intro. No, I'm joking, that's not like that. And then of course if you want to stop it, you then have to make sure you've got an immovable object somewhere ahead of it, or if you really want to try and time it well, you can just do that. It's that simple. Welcome to the land of new flying machines. Woo! Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, like. And if you really did enjoy it, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm DragonKnight.